Somewhere in the world, right now, an AI just took someone's job. Not tomorrow, not in 5 years, today. And the scary part? It might be someone just like you. For decades, we told ourselves a story. Machines can handle the boring stuff, the assembly lines, the factories. But creativity, judgment, human connection, that was ours. Doctors, lawyers, designers, writers, engineers. We felt safe. Then 2022 happened. Then 2023. Then 2024. And suddenly, the story changed. Because the AI that was supposed to replace factory workers started writing better than journalists, coding faster than engineers, diagnosing diseases better than some doctors. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is happening right now. Here's what most people don't realize. Companies aren't waiting for AI to get better. They already think it's good enough. In 2023, IBM announced it would pause hiring for 7,800 roles that could be replaced by AI. That's almost 8,000 jobs. Not fired, not laid off, just not replaced. BuzzFeed, CNET, Sports Illustrated, major media companies already using AI to write articles. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, investing billions, not in humans, in AI systems. And right now, across the world, in offices, call centers, and companies you trust, quiet replacements are happening. No announcement, no warning, just fewer people needed. So which jobs are going first? Number 1, and this one is disappearing fast, data entry and back office work. Anything repetitive, predictable, rule-based. AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't make mistakes, it just works. Number 2, customer service. AI chatbots are already handling millions of conversations every day, and most people can't even tell the difference. Number 3, content writing, blog posts, captions, product descriptions, even news articles. What took hours now takes seconds. Number 4, basic legal and financial work, contract reviews, document analysis, tax preparation. AI doesn't just do it faster, sometimes it does it better. Number 5, entry-level coding. Developers are now using AI tools that can do the work of multiple junior programmers. And number 6, medical screening and diagnostics. AI systems are already detecting diseases, reading scans, and finding patterns humans miss. This isn't just about factory jobs anymore. This is white-collar work. This is educated professionals. This is you. But here's where things change. Because the truth, the part no one talks about, is that AI doesn't replace jobs. It replaces people who aren't using AI. Right now, one person using AI is outperforming 10 who aren't. A writer with AI can produce more in hours than others can in days. A developer using AI builds faster. A marketer using AI grows faster. The real divide isn't human versus machine. It's human with AI versus human without it. And in that world, the one without AI falls behind every time. So the question isn't if AI is coming for your job. It already is. The real question is, will you be the one using the tool or the one being replaced by it? Because the future of work isn't coming, it's already here. And it doesn't care about your degree, your experience, your title. It cares about one thing. Can you adapt? The people winning right now aren't the smartest. They're the fastest learners, the most curious, the ones willing to evolve. because every revolution in history rewarded those who adapted and left behind those who didn't. And this one will be no different. So when AI comes for your job, and it will you be ready?